Hey friends, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. As we approach the holidays, I want to show you a fun Christmas snowflake craft today, made completely out of hangers. It's so much fun to do, so come along with me as we make this easy, fun craft that you can hang up around your house for the holidays. First, we're going to start off with some hangers that can be purchased from the Dollar Tree. If you do get them from the Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 packs. We need a total of 16 hangers. And we're going to get some zip ties. And then to just make it extra fun, we're going to string some lights on it. Okay friends, now we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to have 2 hangers that we put down back to back at a time. The hooks on the hanger will face the same direction. You can either have them both facing up or down. It does not matter. But then we're going to have a set at 2 at the top, a set at 2 at the bottom, and then 2 sets on either side. And once we have that, we're actually going to kind of double up on the layer. Now we're going to add a set to each corner, and that will give it its star shape. So you put 4 more sets on each corner on top in between the sets of hangers that you already had. So now once we have all the hangers laid out for our snowflake, we're going to go ahead and get our zip ties, and we're going to connect the hangers. So the first zip tie we're going to put down is where the 2 hooks meet at the middle. So we'll put the zip ties on, but when you put the zip ties on, don't tighten them up all the way. You want to leave flexibility for the hangers in case you have to move them around as you put the zip ties on. And then you tighten up the zip ties at the end. And as you can see here, we put those down, and then we're going to go back and add a couple more zip ties where 2 of the ends meet. And now we're going to add some zip ties to where the hooks meet at the top of the hanger. As you can see me pointing here to where we'll add some more zip ties. And then just make sure you keep watching what I'm doing. If it seems a little bit confusing right now, because what I do is repetitive, I just keep going around the entire snowflake, putting the zip ties in the same place. And also you can play around with where you want to put your zip ties, how you want to connect them. But by the time you get done connecting your first set of zip ties, it should be either like a 3rd or a 4th of the hanger snowflake that is connected together. And then whatever you did to that first 4th or 3rd of the snowflake, you just do it to the next set, and then eventually they'll all connect together. And that was about a 1/3 of the snowflake. And you see how they move? They all move together. And so now I'm going to keep going around and keep connecting the same pattern that I used for the first time to connect the rest of the snowflake with the zip ties. And now we have our second completed section of the snowflake. You can see how they're all stuck together. And then we just have 2 more sections to put the zip ties on so we can complete our snowflake. So friends, now we have another section completed to connect our snowflake, so let's go ahead and get the last section done. We did all our sections for the snowflakes. Now it's time to tighten up those zip ties so we can go ahead and secure our snowflake. Okay friends, now it's time to cut the ends of the zip ties. You just take a pair of scissors and you cut down the extra part that's hanging from the zip ties, and you just cut those all the way down. Okay friends, and now it's time to add our string lights. You can purchase these from Amazon, and then what I'm going to go ahead and do is put them onto the hanger. I am going to use tape to help me secure them. You can kind of weave them in and out the hangers if you like to, or you can just use tape or a combination. I kind of weave them a little bit and use some tape to put them on. Let's turn on the lights so you can see them. I'm just using tape to kind of secure it onto the corners. Feel free to add them however you want to. I have no particular way or order that I'm putting them in. Feel free to add more than one string of lights. If you want a bunch of lights, you can add more than one string. Just get creative and do whatever you want to do and just have fun with it. Okay friends, now that I have the lights on, the little battery operated part I'm actually going to just put behind where the hooks meet on one of the hangers, and I'm going to wrap some tape around it to secure it onto the hangers. And here are the final results. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Happy holidays, everyone. Make sure you check out my other Christmas videos and have a royal day.